This breakfast recipe is very delicious and easy to make. So let me introduce you all to our ingredients. So to make this breakfast, you need eggs, sausage, you need vegetables, you need chopped pepper, and you need your salt and chicken cube. You also need tortilla wrap. So in a bowl, you break your egg. Once that is done, you bring in your chopped pepper, your vegetables, you add your salt and chicken cube, and you mix that together. After that, you bring your sausage and you mix it, then also add everything together. Make sure everything is well combined. Now bring out your fry pan. You pour in your vegetable oil. Make sure you spread the oil all over the pan. You're going to be using a little bit of oil. Make sure the oil is not too much so that the egg is not looking like very oily. Then you go in with your mixed egg. Pour everything, pour it around the pan. Let it fill up the pan. Pour it around the pan and let it cook on low heat. Now bring out your tortilla wrap and cover it with the egg. Once the egg is fried, now it's time for you to flip your egg and the tortilla wrap over. You can do this with a covered plate or you use your spoon. Cover your egg with another tortilla wrap and let it sit well. Once that is done, flip the egg and the tortilla wrap, divide them into two, then just flip them around just like what I'm doing, and let it cook on both sides so that you're sure that your egg is well cooked. You don't want to eat raw egg. Now your breakfast is ready and you can serve. You can have this meal with hot chocolate or you can have it with juice. Like, this meal is so delicious. Have you ordered for my 1 month food planner? If not, click the link in my description box and order for it. Pre-order sales is currently going on and you don't want to miss it. Serve your family with amazing delicacy and enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you all in my next video.
Thank you for watching.